Dear student, let us start last part of second question, exercise 3.6 of 10th class. Here we have given Rohit traveled 300 km to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours. If she travels 60 km by train and remaining कितनी रह गई 240, टोटल कितना है 300. 240 by bus. If she travel 100 by train and remaining 200 by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of train and bus separately. सबसे पहले let us take let of okay, let the speed of train, let the speed of train x kilometer per hour and the speed of bus की हमने क्या ली है y किलोमीटर पर आवर. Then total distance is 300 kilometer. Okay, we know that, then we write we know that time is equal to distance upon me speed. Now we have given according to first condition. Here we have given first condition. If she travels 60 km by train and remaining 240 by bus, she takes 4 hours. Okay, 60 किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस किससे, ट्रेन से. ट्रेन की स्पीड क्या है x, दैट इज द टाइम टेकन बाय ट्रेन, प्लस में 240 बाय बस, दिस इज द डिस्टेंस कवर बाय बस, दिस इज 240, स्पीड ऑफ बस इज y, डिस्टेंस बाय स्पीड, दिस इज द टाइम टेकन बाय बस, टोटल टाइम इज इक्वल टू 4 आवर्स. नाउ पुट 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. It becomes 60u plus में 240v is equal to 4. This is your first equation. Also according to second condition we have given 100 kilometer distance covered by train and remaining, this is 200 kilometer by bus. She takes 10 minutes longer. Okay, मीन टू से 4 आवर 10 मिनट. यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हम 10 मिनट के हावर बना लेते हैं, डिवाइड बाय 60. 10 मिनट के हावर कितने हो गए 1/6, तो वो कितना टाइम लेती है 4 आवर 1/6. 4 आवर से कितने मिनट एक्स्ट्रा ले रही थी 10 मिनट, उनका हमने हावर में चेंज कर दिया 4 1/6. नाउ कंडीशन इज 100 किलोमीटर बाय ट्रेन, डिस्टेंस 100 डिवाइड बाय स्पीड ऑफ train, this is x, this is the time taken by train, plus में remaining distance 200 by bus, speed of bus is y, this is the time taken by bus, time taken by train plus में time taken by bus, total time 4 hour 1/6, 4 1/6 hour. Similarly put 1 by x is equal to u plus में 200v and this is 25/6. टेक इट एल्सियम, 6 यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई कर जाएगा, 600u प्लस में 1200v इज इक्वल टू 25. इट बिकम फर्स्ट. नाउ फ्रॉम, अब जो हमारी इक्वेशन 1 है वी विल मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 1 बाय 10. इक्वेशन 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10. 10 से कीजिए 600u 2400v is equal to 40. Sign will be change, u will be cancel, minus 1200v is equal to minus 15. Cancel out, v is equal to 15 by 1200. 15 1 जा 8 जा 0, v is equal to 1/80. Now putting the value of v in equation 1, 60u plus में 240, v is 1/80 is equal to 4. 0 8 1 जा 3 जा 60u plus में 3 is equal to 4. 60u is equal to 4 माइनस में 3, 60 u is equal to 1 and u is equal to 1 by 60. Now putting the value of u and v, we know that u is equal to 1 by 60, this is 6, and v is equal to 1 by 80. u की वैल्यू हमने पुट की थी 1 by x is equal to 1 by 60 and v is equal to 1 by y 180. Cross multiplication, here is x is equal to 60 kilometer per hour and y is equal to 80 kilometer per hour. Then you will write speed of train 60 kilometer per hour and speed of bus 80 kilometer per hour.